Now, Jamaica will be represented when the fifth staging of the Williamsburg Invitational tournament takes place in Virginia, USA this weekend. Ballaz Football Academy will be taking part in the prestigious tournament for the first time.
Ballaz Football Academy out of Kingston, Jamaica will be among 150 teams taking part in the Williamsburg Invitational Football Tournament in Virginia, USA this weekend. Academy founder Andre Virtue says the opportunity came about following contact with the two former national junior and Manning Cup players Gregory Simmons and Trevor Spencer. He says the plan was set into motion in January after reaching out to the tournament organizers. Virtue, who is also a former national youth player, explained the makeup of the teams that they'll be taking to the tournament.
You know, we're looking forward to it. We have a U9, a U11 and a U12 team going. And it's the best that we have. It's a young group of talented players, a good mix of players from prep school and primary school.
In addition to the young players, Virtue says they're also looking to give exposure to the academy coaches against unfamiliar opposition.
It's a lot about developing these kids and giving them that kind of exposure. So we don't know what the quality is in terms of who we're playing, but we're just going over there and we're going to do the best that we can, and the exposure is going to be great for them.
Among the coaches who will be accompanying the teams is former reggae girl Tashana Vincent. While Ballaz will not be fielding a female team at the tournament, Vincent says the tournament could be used to encourage young female players to turn out for the academy upon their return.
I'm actually very elated about the prospect of adding girls, not only to Ballaz, but more girls involved in football in Jamaica, because I think that, as we see with the recent exploits of the reggae girls, we have some very talented girls out here, and they just need the right platform to display their talents, because I'm sure that we'll have a lot of players leaving here in the coming years. So.
Meanwhile, under-11 players Kai Miles and Giovanni Taylor explained the areas they were working on prior to departing for the tournament.
Building out to the back. Like when the sweeper passes the ball to like one of the left wing backs or right wing backs, and then we build on from there.
And to take up the ball from the defense to put it over the other defense line so that we can get an easier chance to score.
The Ballaz Academy group departed the island on Thursday for the tournament. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.